what is this series? Today in this episode, we're gonna be exploring the measuring cups. So again, maybe you've seen those ones in your kitchen. The measuring cups are really useful. In pretty much every recipe, they're gonna ask for some quantities and you're using the measuring cups to help you with those quantities. So for example, you have here 1/4 of a cup. You have here 1/3 of a cup. You also have half a cup and a full 1 cup. So those different measuring cups will help you when they ask you in a recipe to add half a cup of flour. You can use a measuring cup because using your eyes sometimes can be giving some errors in your recipe. So this helps you make the recipe perfect. I hope that you learned something today, kids. Thanks for watching. Bye!